You need only 3 things to start a car wash station. Everyone thinks a car wash makes money by cleaning cars. That's not the real business. The smartest owners make money from something far more powerful: repeat customers. First, you need the right location. A busy road with constant traffic is far more valuable than expensive machines in the wrong place. Second, you need the right equipment. Fast, reliable washing systems mean more cars served every hour and more money coming in. Third, and this is where most people miss the real opportunity, you need recurring customers. One-time washes help, but regular customers build the business. Here's the surprising part. Many successful car washes earn the biggest profits from monthly unlimited wash memberships. Customers pay every month, and many use the service less than they pay for. That creates steady cash flow even on slow days. A car wash is not just about washing cars. It is about building a business people keep coming back to.